October 28, 2025. Mario once again. Today is Tuesday. Continuing with these motors. This is an axial wound motor that I just completed, and I'm about to test. The moment of truth is here. So let's see how it does. Okay, the gap is it's got quite a bit of gap there, but we'll see what happens. Oh, I have to connect it, right? Okay. Let's see what this axial little motor can do. I need to have a visual here of my watt meter. .3 amps at 2.5 watts, 7.6 volts. It's about 1.3 amps, 10 watts. I'm going to stop there because I don't want this heating the plastic. Okay, pull this out. It's a little warm. It's not too bad. So on this one I put 50 turns, but if we see the coils here in comparison to this other one here, this is a radially wound motor right here. If we do a comparison here, you can see this is radially wound and this is axially wound. This one has the same number of turns, but because of the geometry here on these bobbins, I would say that I probably have about maybe a third or a half more length of wire on each coil here for the 50 turns because of the geometry here, which should make sense, right? Just by nature of the shape of those bobbins here. Now the sound that we hear is mainly from this rotor here. This is it's a helicopter rotor, one of my little tiny helicopters from back in the day.